Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes hard disk raw fix partition without software and no data loss. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Disk shows raw. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type CHKDSK space, drive letter. // space, /F. Open File Explorer. If any error opening drive, right-click Drive, click Properties, click Security tab. Click Advanced. Click Change under Owner, type Everyone, click Check Name. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.